Wow kids, look at this colorful ABCD papers and see these magic color pens. Let's start our ABCD writing adventure. We will write big capital letters. Are you ready? Let's go. This is letter A. Let's write A together. Up, down, cross. Great job. A for apple. This is letter B. Let's write B together. Down, curve, curve. Awesome. B for ball. This is letter C. Let's write C together. Curve around. Nice work. C for cat. This is letter D. Let's write D together. Down, big curve. Very good. D for dog. This is letter E. Let's write E together. Down, line, line, line. Excellent. E for elephant. This is letter F. Let's write F together. Down, line, line. Great job. F for fish. This is letter G. Let's write G together. Big curve, little line. Great. G for grapes. This is letter H. Let's write H together. Down, down, cross. Nice. H for hat. This is letter I. Let's write I together. Line, line, down. Easy. I for ice cream. This is letter J. Let's write J together. Down, curve. Good. J for jug. This is letter K. Let's write K together. Down, slant, slant. Awesome. K for kite. This is letter L. Let's write L together. Down, across. Well done. L for lion. This is letter M. Let's write M together. Down, up, down, up. Great. M for mango. This is letter N. Let's write N together. Down, slant, down. Nice. N for nest. This is letter O. Let's write O together. Round, round. Perfect. O for orange. This is letter P. Let's write P together. Down, curve. Good job. P for parrot. This is letter Q. Let's write Q together. Round, little tail. Awesome. Q for queen. This is letter R. Let's write R together. Down, curve, slant. Great. R for rabbit. This is letter S. Let's write S together. Curve, curve. Nice. S for sun. This is letter T. Let's write T together. Across, down. Good. T for tiger. This is letter U. Let's write U together. Down, curve, up. Well done. U for umbrella. This is letter V. Let's write V together. Down, up. Great. V for van. This is letter W. Let's write W together. Down, up, down, up. Awesome. W for watermelon. This is letter X. Let's write X together. Slant, cross. Great job. X for X-ray. This is letter Y. Let's write Y together. Slant, slant, down. Nice. Y for yak. This is letter Z. Let's write Z together. Across, slant, across. Amazing. Z for zebra. Wow kids, we wrote all letters from A to Z. Thank you so much for watching this video.